He works at a computer company in New York. He's an engineer. He's very hard-working. How long have you worked here? How many hours a week do you work? How much money do you have? How was the trip? How's the weather? I forget. I still have a lot of things to buy. I'm good. I'm ready. I've seen it. What do you do for work? What do your parents do for work? What does he do for work? What does your father do for work? What time do you go to work every day? What's the matter? When do you arrive in the U.S.? When do you get off work? Where did you put it? Where do you want to go? Where does it hurt? Come here. Do you think it'll rain today? Do you think it's going to rain tomorrow? Does it often snow in the winter in Massachusetts? How's business? Is it close? Is it possible? Is it ready? It costs $20 per hour. It hurts here. It will arrive shortly. It's far from here. It's going to be hot today. It's north of here. It's over there. It's raining. It's too late. It's very important. The roads are slippery. What will the weather be like tomorrow? What's the room rate